Fighter jets are the ultimate expression of modern military power, combining speed, stealth, agility, and firepower. These machines dominate the skies and ensure air superiority in any conflict. Here is a detailed look at the 10 best fighter aircraft in the world, based on technology, performance, and combat capability. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Takeoff channel. Number 1. F-22 Raptor. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is widely regarded as the world's most advanced air superiority fighter. It features stealth technology, supercruise, and unmatched agility. Its radar-evading shape, combined with powerful engines and cutting-edge avionics, makes it nearly invisible to enemy radar. The F-22 can dominate both air-to-air and limited air-to-ground missions, ensuring complete control of the battlefield.
To comfortably and effectively interoperate.
Number 2. F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 is a multi-role stealth fighter designed for a wide range of missions. With 3 variants, F-35A, B, and C, it serves the Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps. It boasts stealth, sensor fusion, and network-centric warfare capabilities. While not as fast or agile as the F-22, it is superior in electronic warfare and battlefield awareness, making it a force multiplier. Number 3. Sukhoi Su-57 Felon. Russia's first stealth fighter, the Su-57, blends stealth design with powerful maneuverability. It's equipped with advanced avionics, 3D thrust vectoring, and supercruise capabilities. Though its production has been limited, the Su-57 is a major leap for Russia in developing 5th-generation fighters. Number 4. Dassault Rafale. The Rafale is a highly capable multi-role fighter known for its versatility and precision. It features excellent dogfighting ability, advanced radar, and nuclear strike capability. Used by the French Air Force and several international allies, the Rafale has proven its combat capability in real-world operations. Number 5. Eurofighter Typhoon. Developed by the UK, Germany, Italy, and Spain, the Eurofighter Typhoon is a highly agile multi-role aircraft. It excels in both air superiority and ground attack roles. Its canard delta wing design gives it excellent maneuverability, while ongoing upgrades have kept it relevant in modern combat scenarios. Number 6. Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon. The J-20 is China's entry into the 5th-generation stealth fighter category. It features a sleek design optimized for low observability and long-range missions. While some components are still being refined, the J-20 demonstrates China's growing aerospace capability and ambition to rival American air dominance. Number 7. F-18 Super Hornet. An upgraded version of the classic Hornet, the Super Hornet is a rugged and battle-tested carrier-based fighter. It offers multi-role versatility, reliable engines, and a wide weapons loadout. Used by the U.S. Navy, it plays a crucial role in maritime strike and fleet defense missions. Number 8. Mikoyan MiG-29. The MiG-29 is a heavily upgraded version of the MiG-29, designed for superior multi-role capabilities. It features advanced avionics, active electronically scanned array radar, and improved range. It is cost-effective compared to other high-end fighters, making it attractive to international buyers. Number 9. Saab JAS-39 Gripen. Sweden's Gripen is a lightweight, highly maneuverable fighter that delivers excellent performance at a lower cost. It is equipped with modern sensors, electronic warfare systems, and networked combat capability. Its ability to operate from short or damaged runways gives it a unique strategic advantage. Number 10. F-15EX Eagle II. The F-15EX is the latest variant of the legendary F-15 platform. It brings modern sensors, open mission systems, and a massive weapons payload, including hypersonic weapons in the future. While not stealthy, its raw power, speed, and versatility make it a valuable asset in high-threat environments. From the stealthy F-22 to the versatile Rafale and the rising J-20, these top 10 fighter jets represent the peak of global air combat technology. While the future will bring sixth-generation aircraft, today's fighters remain the spearhead of any nation's defense. These aircraft continue to evolve with new upgrades, keeping the skies fiercely contested and technologically driven. As geopolitical tensions increase and nations invest heavily in defense, the development of next-generation fighter jets becomes even more crucial. The future will see even more integration of AI, hypersonic weapons, and autonomous combat systems. But for now, these 10 fighters lead the skies, shaping the balance of power in modern warfare and ensuring superiority in any theater.